Are you ready to become a homeowner, but the price of a single-family home has you thinking twice? Before you give up, let's talk about condos and townhomes. Affordable, stylish, and ready for you to move in. Imagine this, your own space, no lawn to mow, no roof to fix, and yet you're still building equity. Sounds good, right? But guess what? It gets better. Condos and townhomes often have a lower price tag than single-family homes, which means more money in your pocket and a quicker way to start building wealth. Here's what makes it even sweeter. You'll enjoy perks like pools, dog parks, and fitness centers without the headaches of maintaining them yourself. And if you're worried about being too close to your neighbors, modern designs often offer privacy while keeping that community vibe. Some townhomes are built with private yards and soundproof walls. So, whether you're looking for less maintenance, great amenities, or just a smart way to start your home ownership journey, condos and townhomes may be the way to go. Are you ready to start your search or have questions? Give me a call and let's discuss what option may be the best for you. Remember, knowledge is power in real estate, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you not just follow the market, but stay ahead of the market. Thanks for watching. I'm Carrie Tanner, the key to unlocking your real estate dreams.